I'm just showing you guys the wig. This is what it looks like in the inside. And it has a braided, it has a little strap inside, and it also has the double lace, which I'm really not a fan of. So I'm definitely going to go in and cut this out because I'm not really feeling it. I just feel like it's going to give it more of a wiggy look. I have had a braided wig before, and it had this in it. So this time around, I'm definitely going to cut this out. And this is the length of it. And I'll show you guys, it has a little strap in it. And it also has lace in the back too. So I'm using the Eben Wonder Lace Bond. This is the original hold. It's supposed to be waterproof and stuff. I want to try the black one. That's like the ultimate hold that the glue comes in. But I feel like the yellow one, you can kind of build it up. Because I'm guessing it's like the weakest one, because the red one is after this one, then the black one, which is like the supreme hold or something like that. But yeah, I'm probably going to use 2 to 3 layers with this. Probably 3, because I feel like 3 is the strongest with this glue. So yeah, I'm just letting this dry right. And I'm about to get ready to blow dry it so it can dry a little bit faster. And yeah, I'll be back when I'm ready to. So right now I'm just taking the leftover makeup on my used brush, and I'm just trying to make it look more realistic as I can get her to be. I'm just taking this leftover makeup around the rim of. Okay, so now I'm about to do some these edges that it came with. I'm going to, they already kind of came curled to okay, I don't know what that little piece is. Let me get that, y'all. So now I'm just gonna take these edges that it came with, that it already had out, and I'm just going to curl them and make it look as best as I can get it. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another wig review, and today we're going to be talking about this Amazon wig from Lexqui hair, and this is supposed to be a large knotless 36-inch braided wig. Now, when I was looking at it on the website, I did think it was going to be a little more fuller, but now that I have it on, I'm satisfied with the way that it's looking, I guess you can say. And also, it was a double lace that it came with, but I cut that out. I told you guys I do not like how that looks. I feel like it adds some more wiggy effects that just is really unnecessary. So I just cut that out, and I went ahead and installed this wig. These are the edges that I came up with today. I do feel like the edges might give it that wiggy look, but I just wanted some type of you know, baby hair type of look. As far as this wig goes, for it to be like $100 wig, a synthetic, 100 premium Japan-made synthetic fibers is what it says. And it says that it's lightweight and easy to wear, comfortable. That's what it says on this little baggy thing. As far as like the price, I would say this wig is worth it. I would recommend you, if you get this wig, make sure you guys cut the Velcro, no, cut the double lace thing off, because it's just uncomfortable. It's not really needed, and it also just feels better to wear without that. And I also think it gave it a more wiggy look, so I don't even know why that was on the wig. Yeah, what else can I say about this wig? This wig is definitely lengthy. Like I said, I thought it was going to be full. I'm just about to get up and show you guys where this, and I actually, when I was cutting the double lace off, I actually kind of cut into the wig. So just be mindful when you are cutting the extra lace off in the inside on me, where these braids fall down on me. I plan on wearing this wig for the rest of the month, so I feel like it's gonna do what it needs to do. And it also had lace in the back, so I'm guessing you can do like a little cute updo situation like this or something. And it has the lace in the back, so I'm just showing you guys. So I'm guessing you can kind of use this like as a 360 to kind of glue it if you want to. Probably just going to be leaving in this style mainly, and you can do a little cute updo look with it. You know, the little top knot bun, side part thing or whatever. Like what I'm doing now, you can do a half up, half down. So it's versatile. You can do different styles with this wig. I'm thinking this is the only color it comes in. I love this wig, y'all. I really don't have too many cons. Like, I don't have no cons really, besides the double lace. Now, that's the only thing for me, so I would suggest you guys cut it out. And I actually kind of cut a little too much lace off. If you guys like the braided wig look, and preferably are into like the box braid look, I'm pretty sure they also have like the triangle parting too. I prefer this square parting. If you guys are into braided wigs or want to get into it, I feel like this would be a good one to buy. This is the lace ear to ear, if you guys were just wondering, just showing you guys. This is the lace ear to ear. I probably could go and correct that a little better, but since it's in a side part like this, I'm just gonna leave it be. So make sure you do what I told y'all to do earlier. If you want that more seamless effect, go in and correct it if the lace is giving you issues as far as the coloring. I don't really remember this lace being too ashy. Like, the coloring never really gave me an issue like that. It wasn't too ashy of a lace. It is kind of still. So I didn't have to do that much correcting to the lace. But yeah, if you guys are into braided wigs, I would recommend you to go get this one for $100, around the early front part of 100. I think it's like 120 or something. I also came with the wig cap too, so you get that. And I would recommend you guys to go get this wig if you want that cute braided look and you don't want to commit to sitting down for too long and you just want to, you know, be able to take your wigs on and off. I'm not pretty sure. Me personally, I feel like I would rather glue down my braided unit. But I mean, maybe you guys want to just wear it with like a hat or something to like have that look, like give poetic justice tees, like Janet Jackson vibes. I don't know, child. But I would say this wig is worth it. As far as the shedding and stuff, obviously y'all, this wig can't really shed. But as far as the braids coming unloose is what I'm meaning to say, it's not really giving me issues. Like, the braids still look neat. I haven't worn them for too long, so obviously I would hope they still look good. But as far as the braids looking rough and raggedy, it's not giving me that at all. It's giving I sat down and got my hair braided. This video is not sponsored. These are my authentic opinions. Even if it was sponsored, y'all know I would tell y'all how I really feel about these units. So yeah, just to let that be known, and see y'all in my next wig review.